this is the JBL Clip 4. This was the sound that it makes when it starts, so it's really nice, and this is how it sounds when it's turned off. So you can differentiate the starting and the stopping of the Bluetooth speaker. Also, it has auto shutdown, so whenever you forget you turned it on, after a few minutes, I think it's 10 or 15 minutes if I'm not mistaken, it will automatically turn off. So you can leave it in your garage, for example, if you're working on something and so on. So you can just leave it there, it will automatically shut down and you still have battery life. Thumbs up for this one, this was really nice. Now let's go to the specs, because I know everybody sees the specs of a Bluetooth speaker, but we have to get this out of the way. So it has Bluetooth 5.1, it has a battery, lithium ion battery inside, which they say the autonomy is 10 hours. I would say this is pretty solid, because I can't remember last time I charged it, so it's really good battery life. Yes, and also let's not forget USB Type-C right here on the bottom. It has a really solid construction, it's really nice to the touch, as you can see over here. It has only 5 buttons, but I think you don't really need even more than 5 buttons. You got here the volume up, volume down, you see them. Play stop, this is also works with your phone, with YouTube or whatever app you're using it to play music on. It also has on this side 2 buttons, turn on and off, and this is for pairing with Bluetooth, but it will always remember the last device you connected to. I mentioned USB Type-C, so you can charge it with the same charger you charge your phone, because everybody's moving to USB Type-C nowadays. Yeah, really nice feature. Also, let's move to the power settings, because you're gonna be interested in the power settings. As actual power output, it only has 5 watt speaker power, but I would say it's much more than you don't need more than this, trust me. I mean, if you're going on a mountain and you need let's say some really nice sound party, you're not gonna bring this with you. This is for traveling. You just put it in your backpack, you tie it to your backpack or to your belt or to your pants or whatever you want, or to your bike, and you just go. It's in loud enough that it doesn't disturb the others. I mean, and we got something prepared over here. Yeah, you can see here, this is the app that is measuring the decibels, and also below we have YouTube. So we're gonna test the audio in just a few seconds. Please hold it, don't rush it. What I really don't like about this, I like the fact that it has this carabiner that is really nice and you can put it everywhere you want it, but I don't like that you cannot place it. I mean, you have to put it on one end, on the other. It doesn't have a flat bottom, let's say, so you can put it like this. It does not stay, so either you put it on a side or on the other. It won't stay any other position. I know the JBL Clip 3 had one. We'll skip this. Okay, weight wise, this has 239 grams, which is pretty decent. I mean, it's a little heavier than a phone, but come on, it's a Bluetooth speaker with a battery in it. What do you want more? Also, if we're talking about specs, we need to get the dimensions out of the way so we can test the quality. If we're talking dimensions, we're gonna talk in millimeters. So 86.3 millimeters, which is the length. The depth, this one, is 46 millimeters, and also the height, the complete height of this one is 134.5 millimeters. So we got out of the way. Let me just place it here. So this is the Bluetooth speaker, this is my microphone arm, and as I mentioned, this is an app that measures the let's say the decibels, and I will let you hear the sound that it makes through the mic. The mic is right near the speaker, so let me just be strong to hold the powers of the sun. Also, I have this. Yeah, please shut up. I need to talk right now, okay? Shut up. So I will put the recording. Let me just move my ass out of the way. So on this side of the screen, you will get the recording from the screen, from my phone screen. So you'll be able to see the actual decibels while it is playing a song. So for that reason, noticed, but I just, when it reaches the highest volume, it makes a little pause when playing music just to notify you, well, heads up, this is max volume. So please turn down your headphones right now, because I'm gonna be playing again with the loudest volume just for you to be able to notice the bass and all the sound. Be careful. So this was the audio sample that I wanted to show you. Let me just put the mic back on. So yeah, what do I think of this? The current price right now, as in the stores, I've looked it up, it's about, let's say, about 60 euros. More or less, depending on wherever you're buying it. It is waterproof, IP67, 10-hour battery, Bluetooth 5.1. Yes, it doesn't have party boost from JBL, so you cannot pair it with other similar devices that have that feature. But come on, this is really nice. This is not for pairing with other devices and making a party. I mentioned earlier, this is for taking on a hike, on a ride, on a barbecue, let's say. But you don't want to disturb others. Please don't go to a barbecue and just take those really loud speakers and blow music everywhere. This is for you. You want to listen to some music, just relax. That's it. Relax, listen to some music and don't disturb the others. Come on. And yeah, I gotta say, the design, last but not least important, the design is really nice. You can already see here it's written clip 4. Yeah. Also the texture on it, it's really nice. Also this one, so you can put it on the table and it won't slip. Yeah, it does have a solid bass, so you can hear it. Yeah, it's good. I mean, for the price of it, for the size of it, come on, what do you need more? That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it, and also tell me, what would you like to see? I had a really awesome idea. Unfortunately, it's already winter since this arrived. I wanted to play some music in the jacuzzi and just show you a little sample underwater, but you get the idea. This was the JBL Clip 4. Thank you for watching. Bye.